Hello, I'm gynecologist Dr. Shweta Wazir. Many women experience frequent urination at some point in their lives. For some, it is temporary and harmless. For others, it may be a sign that the bladder or the pelvic organs need some medical attention. So, in this video, I will help you understand when frequent urination is normal and when it should be ignored. Frequent urination means needing to pass urine more than your usual pattern, sometimes even waking up at night to urinate. Every woman's bladder capacity is different, but a sudden or persistent change is something we should pay attention. In many situations, frequent urination is completely normal. Like during pregnancy, the growing uterus presses on the bladder. Drinking more fluids or consuming tea and coffee can also increase the frequency. Similarly, around menopause, hormonal changes may affect your bladder sensitivity. So in such cases, symptoms usually improve with simple lifestyle modification. One of the most common medical causes of frequent urination in women is a urinary tract infection. The woman may feel a constant urge to pass urine, burning sensation, or discomfort in the lower abdomen. UTIs are common, but should always be properly diagnosed and treated to prevent a recurrence. Another important condition is overactive bladder. Here, the bladder sends signals too early, creating sudden urgency even when it is not full. But this can affect our daily activities, our sleep, and confidence. But the good news is, it is very much treatable. In some women, frequent urination may be linked to urogynecological conditions such as painful bladder syndrome or pelvic floor weaknesses. After childbirth or with age, the bladder may lose support, leading to pressure symptoms and incomplete emptying. These conditions would require specialist evaluation. If frequent urination is associated with pain, burning, bleeding in urine, fever, or disturbed sleep, it is not normal. These are the warning signs that should never be ignored. In order to identify the cause, we begin with a detailed history and examination. Urine tests help to rule out infection, and in some cases, some bladder function tests called urodynamics are advised. The goal is to find the exact cause, not just treat the symptoms. Treatment depends upon the underlying reason. Simple measures like bladder training, pelvic floor exercises, dietary changes, they help most women. When needed, medications or specialized therapies are also available to restore the comfort and the confidence. If frequent urination is affecting your daily routine, sleep, or emotional well-being, please seek medical care. Early evaluation leads to better outcomes and prevents long-term complications. Frequent urination is common, but it should never be ignored when it becomes persistent or uncomfortable. With the right diagnosis and care, most women can achieve complete relief. So if you have concerns, we are here to help you regain your comfort and confidence in your daily life.